Britain, the 18th century. A time of grandeur, a time of magnificent architectural marvels. Among these, one stands out as a symbol of royal splendor, none other than the Buckingham Palace. Originally known as Buckingham House, this royal residence was constructed in the early 1700s, to be precise, in 1703. The Duke of Buckingham, John Sheffield, was the man behind the creation of the Buckingham House. The design was an elegant and sophisticated brainchild of William Wynd, a renowned architect of the time. Fast forward to the reign of King George III in 1761, the house was acquired by the royal family. However, it was during the reign of Queen Victoria in 1837 that the Buckingham House transformed into the Buckingham Palace we know today. The transformation and expansion of the palace were a task of epic proportions. The renowned architect John Nash was commissioned to convert the house into a palace. Nash added 3 wings around a central courtyard. Unfortunately, Nash overshot the budget, and as a result, he was dismissed before the completion of the project. Edward Blore took over from Nash in 1831, and he added the east front. This included the famous balcony, where the royal family often makes public appearances. The construction of the east front resulted in the relocation of Marble Arch. Yes, the same Marble Arch that stands proudly at the northeast corner of Hyde Park today. The palace underwent further changes in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. In the early 1900s, the palace's front was refaced in Portland stone to combat the effects of London's pollution. Sir Aston Webb was the architect behind this significant change. Fast forward to today, the Buckingham Palace stands as a testament to the evolving architectural styles and the history of the British monarchy. Let's recap. The Buckingham Palace, initially a house, was built in the early 18th century by the Duke of Buckingham. It was acquired by the royal family during King George III's reign, but transformed into a palace under Queen Victoria. Architects John Nash, Edward Blore and Sir Aston Webb played pivotal roles in shaping the palace's architectural grandeur. The palace has undergone several changes over the centuries, reflecting the changing times and tastes of the monarchy. So, there you have it. The Buckingham Palace, a symbol of grandeur, a monument of history, and a masterpiece of architecture, standing tall and proud in the heart of London. A testament to the passage of time, the palace reminds us of the intricate relationship between architecture and history.